Imagine unlocking endless entertainment possibilities on your Roku without a hitch. Sounds exciting, right? Today, we're showcasing how to easily set up IPTV smarters on Roku in just a few simple steps. First, we'll head to the Roku channel store and search for My IPTV Player. Get ready with us. Once My IPTV Player is installed, launch it to begin the configuration process immediately. Now, you'll need to enter the IPTV subscription details. Here's where 2tv.store comes into play. Click the link below to get your reliable IPTV subscription from 2tv.store now. Once set with subscription details, simply log into My IPTV Player with your new credentials. After logging in, load your channels and enjoy a new realm of diverse content instantly. Remember, with 2tv.store, you're assured of high-quality IPTV service that enhances your streaming. Now, let's go over some tips on optimizing your IPTV viewing experience on Roku. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as that influences your viewing pleasure significantly. Adjust settings within My IPTV Player for the best resolution and personalized user experience. By following these steps, IPTV smarters will transform your Roku into a streaming giant. Let us know if these tips helped you and how 2tv.store enhanced your IPTV experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow Roku and IPTV enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Unlocking IPTV potential is just a few clicks away. Happy streaming.